You probably interact with AI that understands language dozens of times a day, and honestly, you might not even notice it's happening. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into the core realization of how we actually engage with language AI on a daily basis. Let's get right into it.
So almost all of this daily interaction really just comes down to a handful of core tasks. Once you can actually name them, the whole field of natural language processing, which, let's face it, can sound pretty intimidating, stops feeling like some inexplicable magic trick. Instead, it starts looking a lot more like a highly organized, practical toolkit.
All right, let's open up that toolkit. First up, we've got classification. And this is, well, exactly what it sounds like. It's sorting text into distinct categories. Think about how your email seamlessly files a sketchy message into your spam folder, or how a company instantly routes your support ticket to the exact right department. Basically, text goes in, a label comes out. But what's truly fascinating here is the sheer scale of it all. This operates at a level that we humans simply cannot match. I mean, today's modern systems can moderate toxic content online with accuracies hovering right around 97%. They are literally sifting through millions of posts to catch abuse that no human team could ever possibly read in time. Moving right along, next in the toolkit is extraction. Now, instead of just slapping a label on a whole message, this is more about reaching into a massive, messy block of text and pulling out very specific, targeted pieces of information. To put that in perspective, think about getting one of those incredibly cluttered flight confirmation emails. You know the ones. Yet almost instantly, your phone's calendar knows the exact date, time, and location of your flight. And nobody typed that in. An AI model actually read through all that noise, extracted only the useful bits it needed, and just left the rest behind.
Okay, then there's summarization. This one requires the system to take something incredibly long and produce a short but completely faithful version of it. The AI actually has to grasp what truly matters and compress it without losing the main point. It's like having a superhuman executive assistant.
Imagine starting with a dense 3-page report, or maybe a totally chaotic thread of 40 different chat messages. The system distills the core point from all that raw text and instantly boils it down into a clean 3-sentence decision summary. It tells you exactly what was decided, cutting out all the fluff.
Our fourth tool is question answering. This is where you ask something in plain, everyday language, and the AI just finds the answer for you. It's that exact magic moment when you ask your kitchen voice assistant a random trivia question while you're cooking dinner, or when a chatbot instantly tells you a store's exact return policy. Now, the absolutely crucial point here is that these systems are no longer just doing simple keyword matching. That's the old way. When a modern chatbot answers you, it's genuinely reading and locating the correct information inside a document because it understands your intent. It's not just blindly hunting for matching words anymore.
And finally, we reach translation. This is converting text between languages while carefully preserving its true original meaning. And honestly, over the last few years, this capability has quietly become just extraordinary.
The real-world application of this is massive. Flawless translation allows literally anyone to instantly read a foreign web page or to hold a fluid, real-time conversation right across the language barrier. It effectively shrinks the globe right down to the size of your smartphone. But here is the ultimate revelation of this explainer. Think about those 5 distinct tasks we just covered: classify, extract, summarize, answer, translate. Those cover a huge share of what language AI actually does for you every single day. Now, we used to have to build a completely separate, custom system for every single one of those tasks. But today, no way. One single large language model does all of them, the whole shebang.
And you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, it's because underneath it all, these aren't actually different tasks to the AI. They're all variations of the exact same deep skill, genuinely understanding language. It's just one foundational capability applied in 5 incredibly useful ways.
So, as we wrap up, I want to leave you with this one thought to chew on. How many times have you relied on this deep skill today without even noticing? From your inbox to your calendar to your daily web searches, this toolkit is everywhere, working quietly in the background to make your life just a little bit easier.